So A4 is going to be an advanced calculator. And basically by advanced, I mean you're going to build one program that allows a user to choose between two different calculations. And once they choose between those two calculations, it's going to ask them for whatever input it needs, do the calculations, and spit out the answer. So it takes what we did in A3 with the one calculator, and it's going to require you to use a branching structure, an if-then, to allow them to choose between the two calculators. Okay, so we're going to work on that and making the program look nice and be user-friendly. So when we create this program, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have some kind of a main menu that allows them to choose. It's going to say, do you want to calculate the area of a square, or do you want to calculate the area of a rectangle? Okay, so we'll give them choices. If they choose one of those things, then you're going to get the input from them. By the way, this requires you to do something with input too. You're going to get input, you're going to do the calculation, output the results. That's its own separate thing. If they choose the second thing, same thing. You get the input that's needed for this, do the calculation, output the results. If they do something other than those two things, we need to give them choice, or need to give them feedback that that was not an acceptable choice. So you're going to say, choose door number 1 or door number 2. If they say door number 3, you're going to say, sorry, that's not an option, or something like that. So you're forcing their input to be one of two things. This will be the if, this will be the elif, this will be the else. Okay? So when you create that main branch, that's how it will look.